Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install a manual crank window handle on this 2008 Chevy Silverado work truck. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the door. We're going to remove this window crank. We need a window crank removal tool. So we're going to position the window crank in this up position right here. Take the tool. If you want to put it in the same location that it was, you could mark it before you take this off. And we can get this. Just slide this down. There's a little pin, little clip we have to remove. You just push it down and then it slides right off. Here's our old window crank handle. Here's our new manual window crank handle from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the handle is the same shape. This one, the old one, lost the button, so it's kind of hard to open and close the window. The clip is the same on the back, same grooves, same design. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Right, now I'm going to install the new crank handle. Remember, this washer is going to go on the back side. Just put this into position. Put it on the same way that you took off the old handle. Get it lined up. Make sure it's locked in place. And it's good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.